It is the end of November and we still have tomatoes, and a lot. It is incredible and they're still so sweet. It's because the temperatures were still really high till the end of November. We're lucky this year. I've got a spot here that's been growing wild tomatoes. So from some seeds that were dropped last year. And I have to say, they are the strongest. It's really interesting. And it's funny because they're all different varieties. I have no idea where they came from, but they're welcome. In between the tomatoes I found some hidden celery. The celery that we planted by themselves are all gone. So they help each other. It's nice. Lemon balm, that was also hidden in between the tomatoes. It's like a fruit forest in the tomato field. It's so good. I can make some tea out of it. The best smell ever. It's so good. Here we got some salad, nice and green. Yummy. These are beets where you can cut the leaves off and then wok them in a pan with some garlic and some pepperoncino. It's really good. And if I cut them away, they regrow. So it's such a strong plant. This is the red variety, where you can also eat the beets from. We eat them in Holland a lot. Rode bietjes. And in the meantime, I just cut the leaves. Such a pretty leaf with all these different kind of colors. Look at it. Here we've got mustard salad. My basket is kind of getting full. It's wonderful. I found a small watermelon. Blue, our dog, is going to love it. look at the baby leeks. They're growing so fast. Pepperoncini, and so many. Red peppers, they're really spicy. These are pepper juice. They're little less spicy, and I saw in the supermarket that they sell them with cheese inside. So we want to try this experiment. It's the first year that we've seeded them, and they're growing quite well. And I can still harvest them now, so it's really cool. Going to try out this recipe. Wow, this plant still wants to give a pumpkin. Not sure if it will mature. It's so small. The temperature is dropping end of the week, so let's see. Another one. Ivy having fun in the garden with me. She's a nice company. Something is hidden again. Let's see what it is. Another pumpkin. This one is quite big. And mature. It's a pumpkin year, another one. And we still got zucchini. End of November, guys. And we still got zucchini. This is also a nice tomato. It's grown wild. And I heard this is a typical, authentic Marchigiana tomato. So, no idea where it came from, but we're happy. This is my ginger experiment. I'm trying every year. Not so successful. Look, it's really small. This is my result after a whole summer. And this is the mother plant. Carlos just coming back with the tractor. He's been trimming the land up on the hill. We have an olive yard and some almonds and hazelnuts there. And about one or maximum twice a year we trim the land. So we leave the wild plants to grow, and that helps for the biodiversity. The tractor was included when we bought the house. It's a really old Fiat. Blue already spotted the watermelon, so I'm going to give him a piece now. Let's see. Niet doen. Kom.